Hey guys, here we're heading to Woodpecker's Backyard Barbecue. Randy and Jessica, our in-laws, they're joining us with their kid Fabian. We're gonna have dinner there and hopefully coffee later. This is a fun trip, very spontaneous. Hopefully you guys will enjoy. Peace out.
Yo lo pruebo, pero no.
Oh,
¿Quieres un poquito?
you like it?
Se me partió y te fue.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to eat more. Yeah, Fabian, you like it?
I do.
You like it?
Dile yo vicioso.
Ay, Jessica está calladita. She's quiet. Listo. Brutal. I know. I'm gonna stop. Be quiet because I'm putting more food in mine.
Le encanta el booty.
No. Woodpecker's Backyard
Delicioso.
Barbecue. Oh my God, really?
Andy, you got a second to grab that phone?
Yo no sé por qué no Juan. Nosotros sí.
Espérate, no están aquí. Best barbecue in town, at least around this area. Right?
Yes, you gotta check it out. Woodpecker's Barbecue. Datil Everything. Datil Everything.
How about you?
Oh, I love the color.
Okay. This was a PG show. Now it's not anymore. So here we are at Woodpeckers. That's the sign. That's my sister-in-law Jessica. This is Fabian. That's Randy on the back. They are joining us in our adventures now. Jessica, how do you like the barbecue?
Delicious. ¿Qué te vas a hacer? Mira.
¿Te está tripeando? I like the corner of the cup.
¿Cómo te gustó?
Fatty.
Oh, no, the barbecue, no.
Okay, arriba.
So anyway, on Woodpeckers, there's these chickens that just walk around everywhere, and they have these little boots. Check them out. They're like the coolest chickens in the world. Oh, there's the big guy. Yeah, I don't mess with that guy. Well, here's Marlene and the bikes. We're gonna head for coffee and then head home. It's a beautiful day before the rain.
Yes, before the rain.
See you guys later.